Hi everyone! In this video we will rationalize a denominator. Rationalize the denominator for the square root of 13 over 525. Let's go ahead and break this using the quotient rule. The square root of 13 over the square root of 525. Now let's see if we can find a perfect square. 13 is prime, so it's done. The square root of 525 ends in 25, so let's go ahead and divide it by that perfect square of 25. Using my calculator, I get the square root of 25 times the square root of 21. So 25 times 21 is 525. 21 is 7 times 3, so there's not another perfect square in there, so we're done. And we can just go ahead and evaluate that. So we have the square root of 13 that we didn't touch. The square root of 25 is 5. And we still have the square root of 21. To rationalize the denominator, it just means that we don't like a radical on the bottom. So we can multiply something to the top and bottom of any fraction and it keeps its value. So if we multiply both of these by the square root of 21, then I have kept its value. And in doing so, I end up with the square root of 21 times the square root of 21. And because a square root takes 2 or a pair of something, that means I get 5 times 21. If you want to go ahead and multiply those together, we could do that. 21 times 21 is 441, and the square root of 441 is 21. Or you can just say it's the square root of 21 squared, and the square root cancels out the square, so you get 21. Either way, we end up with 5 times 21, and in the numerator we have the square root of 13 times the square root of 21. 13 times 21 in my calculator gives me 273, and because 13 is prime and 21 is 7 times 3, there are no prime or perfect squares left in 273, so that's as far as it'll simplify. And then we just need to multiply the bottom, 21 times 5, which gives us 105. So we end up with the square root of 273 over 125, and we've now rationalized the denominator, meaning we don't have any more radicals down there, and we're all done.